I went into my interview with Sophie Nuber fully prepared to talk about corals. I've done my research, I knew about the skeletons, the bleaching, the whole thing. I even listened to her interviews in German on Taiwanese radio. I was ready. And then Sophie said a word I had never heard before. Foraminifera. I nodded, and the second that interview was over, I went straight to Google. So what are they? Forams, because yes, there is a shorter name, thank goodness, are tiny single-celled organisms with shells. They've been around for over 540 million years, and because there are so many of them in the fossil record, they've become one of the most valuable tools scientists have for reading Earth's past climate. Here's what makes them so useful. When scientists find foram fossils, they can work backwards in two ways. First, the species present act as clues. Different foram species lived in different ocean environments, so the mix of species found at a site tells you a lot about what those waters were like. But the shell itself goes even further because it forms directly from the surrounding seawater. Its chemical composition reflects the conditions of the ocean at that exact moment in time. In other words, every foram shell is a tiny climate chronicle. Learn more about that in Sophie Nuber's other work in the latest episode of Silex. Fun fact, the limestone used to build the Great Pyramid of Giza is packed with foram shells, so packed that the ancient Greek historian Herodotus actually noticed them, though he thought they were petrified lentils left behind by the workers who built it.